Hello, and welcome to the tutorial on importing Excel files into Applanga projects. We'll cover how to import Excel files and the different importer options, as well as how to define the columns for import. Let's get started. From the project page, select the language you want to import the file to. You can import to all keys on Applanga, or you can import to specific keys. Let's start with importing to specific keys. First, we'll need to filter for those keys. You can use the filter options to create the specific criteria. For this example, let's say we need to import translations to all keys with the status of Needs Translation. From here, we'll mark the topmost checkbox to select All, then proceed with importing the file. To import, there are two different places you can navigate to that results in the same import flow. You can click the Import option in the header bar, or you can click More, then click Import Selected. You can drag and drop the file or open the file browser to select the file for import. Now that we can see the importer options, let's walk through some of the more popular ones. Import and overwrite. Applanga imports keys and their translations. It also overwrites any existing translations with a new translation found in the imported file. Import only as draft. The key and the translations contained in the file will import as drafts. If the published translation of a given key already has the same translation as the one in the file, it's skipped to avoid duplicates. The next few are pretty self-explanatory, but the last two are also pretty popular and great for organizing keys or translations during upload. Change state to. This option sets a workflow status during import, and tag with adds tags to imported keys. You can add an existing tag or create a new one. If you're not sure about an importer option, just hover over the tooltips for a description of the option. Now we'll click Import and move on to the next step where we define what each Excel column corresponds to on Applanga. Using each dropdown, select the Applanga option that corresponds to each column in the Excel spreadsheet. To skip a column from import, just don't define the column. Once complete, you can actually import the content to Applanga. And here we see our imported translations. If you ever need to import the entire contents of a file, simply skip the filtering steps and click Import in the header bar. Then proceed with the usual process to import all keys in a file. And that covers the basics for this tutorial. You can always learn more on our website under documentation. If you get stuck or have questions, please use the website support chat or email us at support@applanga.com. Thanks for watching!